Bill Gates admitted Shiba Inu coin will create overnight billionaires this year. SHIB to $10 price. Shiba Inu coin has been making waves in the realm of cryptocurrency. What started as a meme coin is now morphing into a legitimately viable play for investors. Today we're going to talk all about whether Shiba Inu coin will create overnight billionaires this year. Welcome to Shiba Inu coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shiba news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shiba news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 20th of March, shall we? Shiba Inu price action retook a step back and paired almost all the gains from Wednesday's rally. Investors are swinging back into bearish mode as tail risks emerge and are put at the top of the agenda going into the weekend. Conflicting rumors and contrary remarks from what is going on in Ukraine are keeping investors puzzled and refraining them from continuing to open risk-on bets. Shiba Inu price sees puzzled investors turning their back on crypto. Shiba Inu price action is set to erase its gains from earlier this week. SHIB price rose after the news that peace talks were making good progress. Yet this all looked to be thrown in the bin overnight, as several headlines came out about Russia being not optimistic at all, and the US even putting the threat of nuclear weapons back on the table, as it sees Russia possibly trying to squeeze out a peace agreement that meets all of its demands but none of Ukraine's. Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies saw bulls repeating the same mistake as last week when they got squeezed out by the weekend. SHIB price action is again dropping back to the baseline of a longer-term triangle, with the green trend line as its base. Multiple tests up until now have been held, but with the meeting between Biden and Xi this evening, it looks clear that the US wants to get a clear answer from China as to whether it is with the US against Russia or with Russia, offering no middle ground. The tail risk from this meeting going into the weekend could trigger a break at 2,111 hundred millionths of a dollar and see a drop towards 1,708 millionths of a dollar, the low of January, which could well overshoot towards 1,500 millionths of a dollar. Now let's get back to the topic. The price run-up back in October 2021, where Shiba Inu reached an all-time high of 86 millionths of a dollar, minted many millionaires. However, the coin has since pulled back, trading at current levels of 35 millionths of a dollar per coin. The question no doubt everyone is asking is if there will be another tremendous spike in price. The short answer is, perhaps. Notwithstanding, the next big question is, if we don't see another astronomical run-up, is it still possible that Shiba Inu holders can become millionaires? Or has that train left the station? I believe yes, Shiba Inu holders can still become millionaires. There are in fact a couple of scenarios where that can happen. They are as follows. Scenario number 1. The key to turning your investment into $1 million is to first pay close attention to the key levels of support, considering those as ideal price points to purchase. Current support levels for Shiba Inu are around 35 millionths of a dollar. For those looking to accumulate or add to their position, historical price charts have previously indicated that in some instances, the price has bounced back up when Shiba Inu has traded around this level. The next key level would be around 27 millionths of a dollar per coin should it go lower. Hypothetically, let's say you buy in at the price of 35 millionths of a dollar per coin with an investment of $10,000. Investment cash $10,000 divided by 35 millionths of a dollar per coin equals 285.7 million coins. Now to get to a $1 million profit with your current position, the coin would have to reach a price of 37 ten-thousandths of a dollar based on your accumulated position. Percentage-wise, the coin's price would have to increase by 99% from your purchase price. Considering what the price of Shiba Inu did in October, soaring over 700%, a 99% uptick seems possible. Projected price, 37 ten-thousandths of a dollar minus purchase price, 35 millionths of a dollar, equals 3,665 millionths of a dollar. Gain, 3,665 millionths of a dollar times position, 285.7 million coins, equals $1.047 million. For those with $10,000 cash on hand to invest in Shiba Inu, getting in on these levels of 35 millionths of a dollar per coin and holding to a price of 37 ten-thousandths of a dollar would be one way to hit $1 million on your investment. Understandably, $10,000 is a sizable investment for many, and there's considerable risk involved. However, as previously demonstrated in the above, the reward could potentially net you 7 figures. Scenario number 2. Now for those who don't have large amounts of money to invest in one shot, how about investing in smaller increments? Let's say you want to invest a total of at least $3,000 in the Shiba Inu coin. However, you put in $500 to start, buying at 35 millionths of a dollar. Investment cash, $500 divided by 35 millionths of a dollar per coin equals 14.285 million coins. You routinely purchase $500 worth of Shiba Inu each time it retraces those levels of 35 millionths of a dollar, doing this for 3 months. Total investment is $1,500. Your aggregate position at that time would be 42.85 million coins. This assumes you've bought at 35 millionths of a dollar throughout the 3-month period where Shiba Inu retested these levels at least 3 times. After 3 months, the price goes lower to 27 millionths of a dollar per coin. Although the coin price dropped, the same $500 investment allows you to accumulate more coins at discounted prices. Investment cash, $500 divided by 27 millionths of a dollar per coin equals 18.518 million coins. Hypothetically speaking, let's say the coin doesn't go any lower and trades at or above 27 millionths of a dollar. You decide it's prudent to continue investing for 3 more months. At the price level of 27 millionths of a dollar after 3 months, this assumes the price of Shiba Inu retraces these levels at least 3 times during this period, you have a position of 55.55 million coins. The total investment here is $1,500. In 6 months, you have a total of 98.4 million Shiba Inu coins. Essentially, you have lowered your cost basis, taking advantage of discounted prices, employing a dollar cost averaging strategy. DCA, dollar cost averaging, is a way to reduce the impact of price volatility on the overall purchase. Let's take a look at the figures. Total bought, 42.85 million coins at 35 millionths of a dollar. Total bought, 55.55 million coins at 27 millionths of a dollar. Aggregate bought, 98.4 million coins at average purchase price 31 millionths of a dollar. So let's say within a year the price of Shiba Inu jumps to 37 ten-thousandths of a dollar per coin. How much would you make with your average purchase price of 31 millionths of a dollar? Let's check it out. Projected price 37 ten-thousandths of a dollar minus average purchase price 31 millionths of a dollar equals 3,669 millionths of a dollar. Gain 3,669 millionths of a dollar times position 98.4 million coins equals $361,000. Not quite a million, but still a pretty good return on your investment. So with your position of 98.4 million Shiba Inu coins, how high would the price have to be to hit $1 million on your investment? The target price would have to be 109 ten-thousandths of a dollar. Projected price 109 ten-thousandths of a dollar minus average purchase price 31 millionths of a dollar equals 10,869 millionths of a dollar. Gain 10,869 millionths of a dollar times position 98.4 million coins equals $1.069 million. For everyone thinking that Shiba Inu could never hit the target prices mentioned and think it's ridiculous for the coin to go over 1 cent, I can see why people would run with that line of thought. The skeptics base that notion on the fact that the coin supply stands at over 589 trillion and that it's impossible to hit the specified price point of 1 cent, according to mathematical calculations. According to a recent article posted in FX Empire, Shiba Inu is expected to undergo a massive burn in the upcoming weeks. By systematically reducing the available supply of Shiba Inu tokens, demand would presumably increase, causing prices to go higher. In conjunction with token burns, Shiba Inu is now more widely adopted and tradable on nearly all significant cryptocurrency exchanges, Robinhood securities pending. Shiba Inu presents a significant opportunity for risk-tolerant investors to get in at attractive price points. The scenarios above that show examples of how to potentially get $1 million investing in Shiba Inu, I believe, are possible. Still, it is ultimately up to investors to do the research and draw their own conclusions as it pertains to their investment choices. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time, Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!